In today's video, I show you how to quickly add a subdomain in Cloudflare. Subdomains are great for directing traffic to blogs, stores, or other parts of your site. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you want to work with. Next, go to the DNS section and click Add Record. Choose the record type. Use A for IPv4, A for IPv6, or CNAME if you want to point your subdomain to another host. In the name field, just type your subdomain label, like blog or store. Cloudflare automatically appends your root domain. In the content field, enter the target IP address for A/AAA records or the hostname for a CNAME. Set TTL to auto so updates happen dynamically. Then choose your proxy status, orange cloud for Cloudflare's CDN and SSL, gray cloud for DNS only. Finally, click save and your subdomain is live. That's it. Your site structure is now easier to manage and traffic is properly routed. Thanks for watching and happy webmastering.